viewers, you are welcome to MSI EduTech Online Lesson. Remember, this is a place we prepare your children for a great excellence in future. Okay, you are welcome once again. Remember that in this channel you are to subscribe in order for you to get more videos. Today I'm going to take you through another topic in mathematics, and the topic we are considering today is place value. So exciting. Many people don't understand what place value is all about in mathematics. So today I'm going to take you through what place value, and if time will permit us, we are going to look more on counting in numbers. Okay, so let's go to the class and see what place value is all about. Okay, now place value simply means the value of position of each digit in a set of numbers. The value of the position of each digit in a set of numbers. This is not just a grammar. Let me take you through this. If you have 3, 6, 9, 5, okay, this is 3, 6, 9, 5. Each of these, we call this 3 digits, 6, 9, and 5. So that means we have 4 digits here. That is what I mean by digit. Now this is what we call thousand. This is what we call 100, and this is what we call 10, and this is what we call unit. Now this is telling you that this value is 3000. This is 3000. This value, which is digit, is 600, and this value, which is 9, is 90, and this value is 5. So the value of 9 here is 90 because it's tens. The value of 5 here is 5 because it's unit. The value of 6 here is 600 because it's under 100. The value of 3 here is 3000. So when you bring this together, we are going to have 3695. That it will give us 3695. So you need to understand what the value of 3 here, the value of 6 here, the value of 9 here, and the value of 5. And that is what we call place value. So I'm going to take you through this example. Let's say, for instance, a question is given to us like this. Example 1. Find the place value of each of these numbers. Okay, you have 3, 5, 0, 5. Now let's find the value of each. You can draw like this. This is digit, and this is place value. I hope you are following my class. Okay, thank you very much. Now the first digit here is 3, and 3 is a digit here. You need to understand that for you to understand the value of each digit, you have to count from the back. Count in 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. You put your comma here. So this will give us 3000. Okay, this 5 here is another digit, and you remember this is 1000, this is 100, this is 10, and this is unit. So that means this will give us 5, will give us 500. Okay, is 0 is a digit here. Is 0. The value of 0 here is 0. It still gives us is 0. While the last one is 5. So the value of 5 here is 5. So when you bring this together, you are going to have 3505. This is what we call place value of numbers. I hope you understand this. Now, this is not the end of place value. I'm still going to take you through what we call decimal fraction. How you can identify the place value of decimal fraction. In this time, in this part, you have to be very careful. And you remember, if you find any question or you find anything we are doing in the class now very difficult, you can always send your feedback to us. Not only that, you can always watch this video all over and all over again. So let me take you through decimal fraction, how to find the place value of decimal fraction. Okay, thank you very much. Now we are looking at decimal fraction. Place value of decimal fraction. Decimal fraction simply means when you have 4.632, this is a whole number, we call it whole. This point is called decimal fraction, decimal point. Pardon me for that. This 6 here, 6, 3, and 2, we call this decimal fraction. That is telling you that the digits we have after decimal point, we call them decimal fraction. You want to ask me a question? Why we call this decimal fraction? That is the combination of decimal and fraction. Okay, so let me explain this to you. Now from here, the value of this 6, we call it tenth. Okay, not tenth, th. The value of this 3, we call it hundredth. You add th. And the value of these 2 is called thousandth. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you how to find the place value of this decimal fraction. So let me take you through this example. Look at this example 1. Example 1. Find the place value of digits in 4.632. Now let's look at this. Now you need to understand that the value of 4, okay, you can also write it like this. Digit. Not only that, this is place value. Place value. Now pick the first digit. The first digit is 4. 4. The value of 4 here is 4. Okay. Now the value of 6 here is not 600. It's not 600 because we have decimal point here. So what I used to tell my students, just at the top, write 1, 0. So that means the value of this 0.6 will give you 6 all over 10. 6 all over 10 can also be called 6. Let me write it in word for you. 6 tenths. Okay. Now you pick the 3 digit. 0.3. The value of 3 here. After 0 here, add another 0 to this place. You have 3 all over 100, and this is what we call 300. Remember to add your th. Okay. Now this is different from 300. You can see the way, you can hear the way I sound this. 300. 300. Okay. Now the last digit is 2. Pick 0.2. The value of 2 here is 2 all over 1000. Okay, because we have 1, 0, 0, 0. This will give us 2000. 2000. Okay, so this is what we call place value in decimal fraction. Place value in decimal fraction. I believe you understand this class. In case you find any of these a little bit difficult, you can always watch this video all over again. And remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel, MSI EduTech Online Home Lesson. Give us your comment and you will get more videos on mathematics. Thank you very much. But before I leave this class, I need to give you something that you are going to do for me, so that I will get feedback from you to know whether you are following me or not. I believe you are following me. Thank you very much. So let me give you work to do. Okay? Okay? So what you are going to do for me, number one, you are going to find the place value of all the digits in now A we have 6, 8, 3, 5. B 8, 9, 7, 6, 3, 5, 2. C is 0, 2, 5, 3, 9, 2. Okay, now let me give you this 3.645, and the last one 8.205. Thank you very much for being with us in MSI EduTech Online Home Lesson. Remember, you can have full module of all the topics in this MSI EduTech Online Home Lesson. All what you need to do, get back to us and we will give you more information about it. Until we meet next time, thank you very much. My name still remains the same, your friend, Mr. David. Au revoir.